Look at this little boy in his sweater. Look at him go. Hi. Thank you. All right, so it is Monday morning. I have multiple zits now because yesterday was stressful. My face explodes. Tried to go get a car and it didn't work out. I'm gonna keep these really short because this is the higher frame rate. But yeah, tried to get a car. It was awful. I walked out because I don't know, I just follow my gut, and if people are shitty, I don't want to help them make money. Anyway, oh my god, look at my son. Look at him. Anyway, I woke up late today because I was like, fuck it, I just want to sleep. I just want to chill. So that means that tonight we're going to the gym. I was hoping that I'd have a car by now so I could like actually go in the mornings and do stuff, but I think I might have to wait until after I get back from my dad's this weekend. So we shall see. But today is going to be an interesting week. Gonna try to hustle and get a lot in. And then I probably won't be able to edit this video until I get back home. So we'll figure that out. Anyway, we shall see. Oh no. Oh no. This is a thunder jacket for anyone who wants to know. It's for anxiety. He's a very anxious boy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. There we go. All right. So it begins week 2. All right. So I have blue eyebrows. Anyway, I'll just leave it at that. This is a look. I'll tell you what. So I need to do my meal prep, and I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can because, oh, my eyelash is coming off. Oh no. Okay, well, just ignore that. All right, so I'm trying to do my meal prep as fast as I can today, and that eyelash is really gonna bother me. And then get back to do some comic work and then gym tonight. So that's gonna be a whole thing. So I'm gonna try to not yabber on, but today is tofu, brown rice, and broccoli. It's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna fry the tofu with some wing sauce, powder, whatever. So it tastes like buffalo wings. Gonna put it on top of rice once the rice is done. And then I have the broccoli just boiled, I think. I'm just gonna boil it, which is easier. I'm tired, it's gotta go quick. All right, time to set up, I guess. I don't know. All right, so with the rice, I have a bunch of brown rice here. This is just long grain, I think. I do long grain, short grain, whatever. I'm gonna do, I normally do 2.5 cups, but I think what I'm gonna do here is do 3.5, just so I really have enough. This is for my rice maker as well. There's a bunch on the counter here. So, well, 4 cups, I guess. And scoop up all this bullshit that I spilled all over. Some of this can just go in the trash, but I'm gonna rinse this. So you wanna rinse it, drain it, rinse it again. With white rice, you just wanna keep rinsing it until it gets clear, I believe. I have been guilty of not rinsing my rice. I'm Italian and Libyan, but the Italian part also came with a lot of white, okay? And Italians are basically white anyway, so like, forgive me, I have sinned and I'm very lazy. But I'm gonna rinse this and drain it a few times, and then as per other cultures, add in some coconut milk into this so I can kind of beef up the calories, and then some stock, and then obviously the rest of the water. So I'm just treating the liquid the same as I would for water. So rice is whatever, if you put in a cup, it's 2 cups of water. I still have this handful of rice. So if you put in a cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. So this, I'm going to measure out how much this is with the same exact cup here, wherever it is, over there, that guy. And then I'm also going to pour the water back in this can and then refill the stuff in here, if that makes sense. So instead of just doing plain water and getting rid of all the stuff, I'm gonna use this to keep pouring it through. Anyway, it'll be like 8 cups of water and coconut stuff. So yeah, my eyebrows are still blue. Okay, good. Okay, so a bit of tofu redemption from these guys. I got these guys and I went like this with them, okay? Put them in here, like this, and just kind of got them coated enough so I could, we'll have to find a spot for this guy because I messed up with him on the side. So I could actually cook them properly. So, tofu redemption, sprinkling it on didn't work. This is much better. Okay, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. So, as you guys know, I'm a bougie bitch. But I got this carrot ginger turmeric drink. And I was like, I'll try it because I just went to Robex and got like a carrot ginger turmeric situation. I know turmeric is really good for like anti-inflammatory stuff, so it's been really good. I actually really like it, but again, like you do need to like the taste of carrot juice, which if you haven't had it before is like sweet and savory at the same time. It's definitely an acquired taste, and turmeric and ginger are both really strong, but I've been liking this. I was gonna make it for like smoothies and stuff, but it's really good. I think it would also be very good in a smoothie with a bunch of like pineapple and like maybe some protein powder to make it like a little bit more beefy. All right, you guys get to see how bad my skin is. This is from stress, honestly. It happens, but my skin gets really rough. I also just scrubbed it with like a really, like benzoyl peroxide and put my retinoid cream on it from my doctor, but man, oh man. I've only been on my medication for 3 months. It's actually been really great up until today, but I think it was just an extra stressor of all the car stuff. Anyway, we went to the gym and I did a lot of lower body, calves, squats. I brought my pink foam squat bar, but couldn't use it because everyone was using the squat machines and the bars. I was real bummed out, so I just did the machine squats. But yeah, so gonna eat food and go to bed very, very soon and try to wake up. Yesterday morning, well, this morning I should say, I woke up at like 5 a.m. naturally, and I went back to sleep, so might try that again and just actually get up. We'll see. But I am a little tired, so I'm just gonna see when my brain wakes up. But I think I'm gonna give myself a limit of like 7 a.m. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, I'm wearing the same PJs as the other day, but hi guys. It is Wednesday morning. I didn't go work out last night, but tonight we'll go to the gym. See if I can get some cardio in while I'm there and then do everything else, but we'll see. Yeah. I'm just trying to get my life together. I slept pretty well last night actually, and I slept in a bit today because I was actually having good dreams, and let me tell you, I've been having bad dreams. So it's like about time I had some good dreams, you know what I mean? So I feel like things are turning around. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm feeling just a little bit more capable today. So I'm gonna have some breakfast, start stream, draw some cuties, and work on the comic. And now Grant has his car, so I don't have to pay for an Uber back and forth to the gym. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I can't wait for the lake this weekend. I'm really, really excited for that. I need to make sure I prepare everything because I want to be able to film it as well on a separate vlog, so that'll be good. All right, I'll check in after tonight's workout. Okay, I'm late for stream, but quick update. I just watched the Glam and Gore video about how she lost 20 some odd pounds and 6 inches on her waist, and My God, it's actually really, really inspiring. I will try to remember to link it down below, but it's awesome. I've always been a fan of her stuff, so it's really cool just seeing like her progress. So I went and retook my measurements because her trainer was kind of smart, and he took very smart. He took the waist measurement not from like a tailor's waist, but from your widest point on your stomach, which makes sense because you're going to see the most progress there because that's where you carry the fat. So I did that, and I went and retook all my measurements. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But I've been eating really healthy, so I'm trying to just keep that going. We shall see. But I do really want to get a car so I can just get more cardio in, because it's just too hot to walk in the mornings, and I just want to be able to get like effective cardio in and not just walking. Walking's great and it is very effective, but like when it's super hot outside, it's so hard to do, and I don't want to have an excuse anymore, you know what I mean? So yes, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update. Now I need to change and do my stream. Oh my God. Oh, hey there, cuties. So I went to the gym. I'm actually eating dinner right now, but I wanted to vlog before anyone gets home. There's Janelle over there. I went to the gym by myself, and I went to the one closer to my house because I wanted to get to the gym, one, as quick as possible, and two, before anyone else arrived, because it gets hectic as hell. And I had just like, I was in that window of like, I know as soon as I get there, everyone will start arriving. So as long as I get there and get on a few machines, I'll be fine. So I did that. I had to do, there's a lot of bar workouts, so I had to do it with free weights, which I'm not gonna lie, at this new place, everyone is super attractive, but also like super fit. Like there weren't a lot of people who weren't already ripped. So I added to the other side of that quota, which was fine, because everyone's like, no one's like faffing around, you know what I mean? So I did everything, but it's always so intimidating doing stuff, because I'm like, oh man, they're judging me for not doing it right. But at the same time, like, I'm trying my best. Jack's in his sweater. Jax, come here. Come here, bud. But I went, and I like it. I went 2 years ago, and it was really crappy, and it's actually what made me cancel my gym membership. But going back, they definitely changed it up. So the fact that it's close, come here, he's in his little anxiety vest. The fact that it's so much closer is gonna be really nice for when I have a car, because then I can go, can you not bump into the hand? Oh, good boy. Because then I can go when I am trying to, I'm sorry, I have to pet him so he doesn't hit my tripod. But I go in the morning when I'm trying to like get cardio in and do more weights and stuff, and just get my workouts out of the way early in the morning. So we'll see how that goes. Parking still sucks there, but it's free for 2 hours. So I'm like, maybe. Anyway, just having dinner, recovering from that. I feel good. I went by myself and I did weights. I am proud of myself. I did it. I'm an independent woman. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just finished stream today. I didn't do a morning update because I woke up late again. So I'm hoping next week I can just get back on schedule. I'm gonna be going to the lake this week, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So this week basically ends by tonight, which I'm gonna be going and doing cardio and abs tonight at the new gym. So it's not gonna be that exciting. So far so good. I'm also trying really hard not to eat any extra sugar or dessert stuff. I'm just trying to eat as clean as possible. I know I'm gonna be with my dad, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. But I'm just gonna watch portion control and, you know, not go too crazy with anything. I've also like not been really keen to have any beer or alcohol, so I'm gonna try to do this whole weekend sans drinking, which is gonna be hard because like my family all drinks, but I think I just want to do that because I just feel like, as much as it is nice to just have, you know, a beer while chilling on the roof of a boat, I think I'm gonna just like see if I can get some like sparkling water or something and just rock with that. I guess. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, it should be nice. I'm excited, so I just want to go back to the lake. I haven't been since I was a kid, so it means a lot to go back and spend some time with my dad. But that'll be a whole other vlog, so that'll come up as well. And I probably won't be able to edit this together until Tuesday, so this vlog will be a little bit late, I think, in coming up, but that means that you'll get a couple vlogs very close together, so that's a good thing, I guess. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me too. This week isn't as exciting, but once I get a car, it's gonna be so much more exciting because I can go in the mornings and like really hustle, and I'm just so excited. So we'll see how that all goes. Just wait till Mercury's out of retrograde, I guess. But thank you guys for coming along this journey with me, and thank you to all my Patreon supporters as well. I know a lot of you guys just support for like art and anime titties, but like, you the best. Yeah, I will see you guys on the lake, I guess. Bye.